Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to change the desktop background image. There are maybe 2 or 3 methods that you can do that. At this point we have searched Windows 11, came in with this kind of default desktop background, but then you can change it to your test or to your liking to make it either static or to make it a slideshow or to bring in a different image of your choice. So let's say we want to change this background. So all you need to do is to come to the desktop and right click, and then you come to personalize. Okay, you click on personalize and it's going to bring you up to this point. You can see it's in settings and you have personalize. Another way in which you can get to this is to come to the start menu over here and you come to settings, and you can still come to the same place and you say personalize, or you can right click on your start menu and you can come to settings and it will still bring you to the same place. So right now you can see over here in personalization, you can come all the way down to background. You can click on background and you can see series of pictures, recommended or recent pictures that you can use on your desktop. For example, now it's set to this, and you can change it to this if you want. You can change it to this, and you can have a preview of it and see how it looks. I think it kind of looks cool. Or you can change it to this look depending on your choice. This is pictures. You can come over here to change it to solid color. Okay, you can choose from any kind of solid color. Right now it's set to black. You see now it's this color. You can set it to this, right? Or you can set it to this depending on your choice. Or you can even come down here and change the color to your liking. You can change it to any color. You can tweak it around and you can select any color and say done, and that color will be selected and activated on your screen. So this is solid color. You are even free to bring in slideshow. Okay, you can bring in the slideshow. You can browse from a folder where you have different kind of images that you're trying to bring in. You can bring them in, and they can serve as slideshows. They can move from one picture to another. And down here you can change the picture timing. You can change picture every 30 minutes. You can go as far as every day, or you can go as every 1 minute to change to the next picture. All right, down here you can initiate or you can enable the shuffle picture format order. You can decide to on a shuffle picture, or you can let the slideshow run even when you are not on good battery. Then you can select the fill. You can fill or fit or stretch or center or span accordingly. So there are a bunch of other things that you can play around with, other settings you can play around with. So let's go back to pictures, and let's say we are bringing in another picture from a given area or a given location. Okay, and let's say we are selecting this image to make it the background image. You can just choose this picture and it's going to be our background for now. Okay, so you can bring in as many pictures as you want. Alternatively, you can bring this same picture and make it the background by coming over to the location where the picture is. For example, we can come over here and this is the picture. You can just right click on it and you can see over here it says set as desktop background. So once you hit on this, it's going to set this as a desktop background. This is an alternative to the other methods. And close on this and you can bring back, and let's say we want to have this one at the moment. So this is actually the very basic and the simplest ways to change the background image of your computer. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe and note button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.